Example number 6. Open your book. Read the question. A juice seller was serving his customers using glasses is shown in figure. The inner diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5 cm, but the bottom of the glass had a hemispherical raised portion which reduced the capacity of glass. If height of glass was 10 cm, find the apparent capacity of glass and its actual capacity. Find the capacity of actual capacity, then we find the glass and apparent, that means contain this shape. First we find in this question, a juice seller was serving his customer using glass as shown in figure. The diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5 cm for cylindrical glass. Diameter is equal to 5 cm, then radius is equal to 2.5 cm. But the bottom of the glass had a hemispherical raised portion which reduced the capacity of the glass. If the height of a glass was 10 cm, total its height is equal to 10 cm. Then we write cylinder height is equal to 10 cm. Find the apparent capacity of the glass and its actual capacity. Actual capacity, that means actual capacity is a cylindrical glass. Then actual capacity is equal to volume of cylinder is equal to formula pi r square. Pi r square h. And apparent capacity is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. For hemisphere, radius is equal to 2.5 cm. As for cylinder, like cylinders, first we find actual capacity. If the height of a glass was 10 cm, find the apparent capacity of the glass and its actual capacity of the glass. Apparent capacity of the glass is equal to apparent total capacity of the glass is equal to pi r square h, or volume of cylinder. First we write volume of capacity, that means its volume. Volume of cylindrical glass is equal to pi r square h. Then we write in the question, pi is equal to 3.14. Pi is equal to 3.14 into r square. R square is equal to 2.5 multiply 2.5 and h is equal to 10. Here 3.14 into 25 by 10 into 25 by 10 into 10. First we cut 10. 5 is 5 and 5 1.57. Multiply this question. 5 7 is 35, 3 5 5 is 28, 5 and 3 28, 2 5 is a 5 7.85 multiply 25 equals to 25 5 is a 125 12 212 21 25 7 is a 175 plus 21 is equals to 196. True point. 196.25 centimeter cube. First we find apparent capacity of the glass. Now we find actual capacity of glass. Actual capacity of glass is equals to capacity of cylinder minus capacity of hemisphere. Then we write 196.25 minus or we write here minus 2 by 3 pi r cube. Actual capacity is equals to this capacity volume of cylinder or minus volume of hemisphere. You write like this and calculate this sum. Volume of actual capacity, then we write volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Volume of cylinder, we find it. Then we put here its value 196.25 minus volume of hemisphere 2 by 3 pi r cube. 2 by 3 pi r cube. Then 196.25 minus 2 by 3 into 3.14 into 2.5 2.5 into 2.5 is equals to 196.25 minus its value is 32 point. Given its multiplication, do it here 32.71 is equals to 5 minus 1 4 12 minus 7 5 5 minus 2 3 9 minus 3 6 163.54 centimeter cube. 163.54 centimeter cube. Again this question is like this. A juice seller was serving his customer using glasses as shown in figure. The inner diameter of the cylindrical glass was 5 cm. Therefore, radius is equals to 5 by 2 is equals to 2.5 cm. But the bottom of the glass has a cylindrical raised portion which reduces the capacity of the glass. Actual glass capacity is equals to volume of cylinder and we apparent in glass hemispherical, then its capacity is like this. Then we calculate volume of cylinder minus volume of actual capacity is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Therefore, using this formula, apparent capacity of the glass. Total how much capacity? Then volume of cylinder. Without hemispherical shape, then its glass capacity is equals to pi r square h. Then find 196.25 centimeter cube. Actual capacity is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of hemisphere. Here we find volume of cylinder, then I write here number 196.25 minus volume of hemisphere formula and calculate this. You calculate multiplication in your notebook and divide by 3, then answer is 32.71 and its subtraction is equal to 163.54 centimeter cube. Our example number 6. Good morning. We start example 7, which is in previous lecture we learned about volume of combination of two solids. In previous section we learned combination of two solids, find their surface area, total surface area. Then we find combination of which two solids attached and find their area. Here find their volume. In example number 7, question number 7, open your book, page number 241, example number 7. A solid toy is in the form of a hemisphere surmounted by a right circular cone. A toy is surmounted by a right circular hemispherical toy is surmounted by right circular cone. The height of the cone is 2 cm. For cone, we write here two shapes, cone and hemisphere. Then we write height of cone is equal to 2 cm. Diameter of base is 4 cm. Diameter is equal to 4 cm. Then radius is equal to diameter by 2 equals to 4 by 2 cm. Radius is equal to 2 cm. Determine, and the diameter of the base is 4 cm. Determine the volume of the toy. Find volume of toy. We find here in question volume of toy. Determine here hemisphere. Radius is equal to base of radius of cone is equal to 2 cm. If a right circular cylinder circumscribes the top, suppose right circular cylinder circumscribed, that means it's cover outside circumscribed in a toy. Find difference of the volume of cylinder and toy. Pi is equal to 3.40. Find difference of volume of cylinder. Find difference of the volume of cylinder and the toy, and volume of toy. Here we find these things. In question, we have given a toy, hemispherical base, surmounted by cone, whose cone's height is 2 cm and base diameter is equal to 4 cm. Therefore, radius is equal to 2 cm. Then find volume of toy. It is only shape of this is volume of toy. If cylinder circumscribed to toy, then find difference of volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. Here we find volume of toy. First we find volume of toy. Then we find difference of volume of cylinder. Cylinder radius is equals to, for cylinder radius is equals to 2 centimeter. Here its radius is equals to 2 centimeter. And its height. What is its height? Height of cone is equals to 2 centimeter. Height of cone is equals to 2 centimeter. And it is its radius is also 2 centimeter. Then height of cone is equals to 2 plus 2. Height of cylinder is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 centimeter. For cylinder, its radius is also r and it is also 2 centimeter. And height, here we write suppose r here, and height is equals to height of cylinder 2 r h plus r is equals to 2 plus 2 is equals to 4 centimeter. First we find volume of toy. Toy is combined of which two solids? It's a solid volume of hemisphere plus volume of core. Volume of toy is equals to volume of hemisphere plus volume of core. Here volume of hemisphere, which is formula 2 by 3 pi r cube plus volume of core 1 by 3 pi r square h. In these two, what is common part? 1 upon 3 pi r square, then 2r plus 1 upon 3 pi r square, then 2r plus h. 1 upon 3. What is the value of pi? Pi is equal to 3.14. In question we are given pi is equal to 3.14 r square. R is equal to, both are same. Radius of hemisphere and radius of cone both are same. Therefore I say right here same symbol r small r. 2r r square. Therefore r is equals to 2 into 2 bracket 2 into 2 plus h. H is equal to height of cone is equal to 2. 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 plus 2 equals to 1 upon 3 into 3.14 into 4 into 4 plus 2, 6. 3 to the 6, 4 to the 8, 8 4 is 32, 3, 8 1 is 3, 8 1 is 8 plus 3, 11, 1, 8 3 is 24 plus 1, 25.12 centimeter cube. Volume of toy is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. Okay. Now second question. Find difference of volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. Required volume is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of of cylinder. What is the formula of volume of cylinder? Volume of cylinder is equals to, we know, pi r square h. Then pi r square h minus volume of toy. We find volume of toy is equals to 25.12 equals to 3.14 into radius and height for cylinder. Volume of cylinder, we write capital letters. R is equals to 2 centimeter, 2 into 2, and H is equals to 4 centimeter minus 25.12. 2 2s are 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 4s are 64, 6, 16 1s are 16, and 6 22 2, 16 3s are 48 into 50.24 minus 25.12 is equals to 25.12 centimeter cube, which is our difference between volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. Again this question, toy is form of a cone and cylinder, and circumscribe cone and hemisphere, circumscribe cylinder. Cylinder circumscribe the toy. First we find question is volume of toy. Volume of toy is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Then answer, volume of hemisphere plus volume of cone is equal to 25.12 centimeter cube. Now second question is like this. Find difference of volume of cylinder minus volume of toy and volume of toy. Difference, that means minus. Then required volume is equal to volume of cylinder minus volume of toy. Volume of cylinder formula pi r square h, and volume of toy is found. We found this number volume of toy 25.12. Then simplify, then its answer is also 25.12. Now we start our exercise 13.2. Question number 1. Exercise 13.2. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere with both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter, and the height of the cone is equal to its radius. Find the volume of the solid in the terms of pi. In this question, we do not put the value of pi. We find the answer in the terms of pi. A solid is in the shape of a cone standing on a hemisphere. Then we write, suppose it is a solid and it's standing on a hemisphere. My drawing is also poor. With both their radii being equal to 1 centimeter. Here for shape, which are they? Cone and hemisphere. In question, both radii is same. Therefore, R is equal to 1 centimeter and R is equal to 1 centimeter. Both indicate both radii is equal to small r is equal to 1 centimeter. And the height of the cone is equal to its radii. Height of cone is equal to its radii. What is its radii? Radii is equal to 1 centimeter. Therefore, h is equal to 1 centimeter. Find the volume the terms of pi. Solid made by which two solids? Combination of which two solids? In question, shape of cone standing on a hemisphere. Therefore, we draw this like this, and it is combination of cone and hemisphere. Then find volume of torque. Volume of solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. Volume of solid is equal to volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. What is the formula of volume of cone? Volume of cone is equal to, yes, 1/3 pi r square h. Now volume of hemisphere, we say, yes, volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Which is common part? 1/3 pi r square. Then we write h plus 2, 3, 1/3 is common, pi common, r square common, 2r. Putting the value 1/3 in the terms of pi. Answer: find the volume of the solid in the terms of pi. Then we do not put the value of pi. Pi into r square. R is equal to 1 into 1. What is the value of h? H is equal to also 1 plus 2 into r, that means 1, is equal to 1/3, or pi plus pi by 3 into 1 plus 2 is equal to pi into 3 divided by 3 equals to pi centimeter cube. It's question for 2 marks or 3 marks. So easy question. Solid is shape of cone with base hemisphere. Find volume of solid in terms of pi. Then we write volume of cone plus volume of hemisphere. First we know all the formula, proper formula of all solids: cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone, hemisphere, sphere. Volume of its surface area, total surface area, and its volume. Volume of cone is equal to 1/3 pi r square h. Volume of hemisphere is equal to 2/3 pi r cube. Then common terms 1/3 pi r square h plus 2r. I put here value. Then answer is equal to pi centimeter cube. Otherwise, therefore answer not saying, then we say 22/7 centimeter cube is equal to 3.14 centimeter. Now question number 1 completed.